So I was just sitting here minding my own business, and the skateboard deck I had hanging right there. You can even see the hooks, they're still in there. Literally just fell. Look, I'll show you. Right on my bed. Look at that. That's sketch. That could have taken me all out. But I'm so thankful that I wasn't sleeping. That would have. Jesus.
Like an SDI or link Corey, and that there could be machinery down below.
I ended up buying more G Fuel because not only do I like it, but I didn't realize that buying what I did was not nearly enough, and I want to have all my friends try it. So I'm up the box. I bought, there's 12 cans in here, so I'm gonna open it up and show you guys. Another sticker. Bye. 12 rack. So yeah, obviously bought a 12 rack with 16-ounce cans. So I'm gonna stick these in the fridge and everything, obviously to get them nice and cold. Oh hey, it's my favorite color too.
What's it long with 3 inches long?
We're at the skate park right now.
Trey!
I'm here at Burlington Park by myself. Well, my dad's with me, but skating-wise, I'm by myself. Besides other people that are here skating too. Decided to come out here, skate a little bit, and then before I leave, I'm gonna try to get my daddy to get me doing a couple of lines before I head out, so I have some footage of that. But I don't know why I'm vlogging right now. The train is obnoxious. That noise is like nails on a chalkboard. Ow, my ears are hurting bad right now. I'm not as sweaty as I look. I dumped like a good portion of my water on my head, so it looks like I'm really sweaty, but I'm actually not. Whether it's on this camera or my actual camera, I brought the Kodak with me this time too, so we'll see how she goes. But that's what's going on.
Yes! All day! Yeah. No! Another skateboard scar. Another skateboard scar.
My lace!
Oh, God.
Fuck! Almost first tee. I mean, I did it, but it was sloppy.